Wanna be on top.
Wanna be on top. It's time to make it happen. You know that we don't stop. And when you get high,
Just kidding, I don't want to be on top. I rather be on the bottom. So I've been trying really hard to study TikTok. I feel like I'm slowly getting there, but I'm still bad at it. So I haven't posted any TikTok yet, but maybe one day I'll master the art of TikTok. So for today's video, I wanted to try out some fashion hacks and fashion tips on TikTok and see if they are good enough. If they aren't, then I should stick to YouTube instead. Before we jump into the video, please click the subscribe button. As you can see, I'm literally sweating right now trying to film this video just to entertain you guys, and no, I shouldn't say that. Before we start the video, please click the subscribe button and let's go from there. My fucking neighbor just saw me posing in 10 different directions. Shit. I'm so excited because this video is giving me a reason to be on my phone. Okay, let's take a look at our very first fashion hack. Okay, so for this TikTok hack, she is literally using like a hair tie to keep her belt in place. Because I know the struggle of wearing a super long belt where the extra length it's like hanging off, and it's quite annoying. So I am actually very excited for this tutorial because I actually have a belt that is a little too lengthy for me, and I wanted to see if this works. So far, I feel like this should work. If it doesn't, then I must be doing something wrong, right? So let's give this a try. In the video, it looks like she is doing this. I don't have a hair tie, so I'm going to use a rubber band, but I would definitely use a hair tie because it's black and it looks better, I guess. Wraps it around like this and like this. Okay, so this hack actually works. Look at this. And it's super easy too. If you're like me, if you don't have a hair tie, you can use a rubber band. Personally, I do not like the look of this rubber band, but if you are desperate and you need something like a hot fix, then just use a rubber band. Other than that, this looks great. I like this hack and it's super useful. Okay, that was actually a very useful hack. Now I know what to do when I have a lengthy belt. Now let's jump into the next hack. So it looks like she used her hairpin to pin the hem of the jeans together. Interesting. Wait, how did she do it? I'm so confused. I only have one hairpin, so I can only do it on one hem. I can see myself in the mirror right here. It's actually, let me see. If it was me, I would flip this. I would do it behind my leg. What do you think? Or do you like the other way more? I definitely like this hack, but instead of doing it in the front, I would personally do it behind my leg. Unfortunately, I only had one pin, so I did not get to see both hems, but I would try to get another hairpin in the future. Maybe I can steal it from my friend, and then I will try the look. Fashion cheat codes.
So you want to look good, but you don't have the time, or you don't want to put in the effort? I got you. All you need are some black pants and some black shoes. With black pants and black shoes, you can wear anything you want on top. I do this all the time because it's literally like a fashion cheat code. And this works with any kind of pants. Wide leg pants, dress pants, even shorts for any occasion, and just whenever you don't feel like putting in that much effort.
I absolutely agree with him. I love wearing black because of that. Black is just so easy. Black shoes and black pants will go with anything you have in your closet. Even though I already know this, I'm going to try it out anyways to show you guys that this is true. So this is my first outfit. Black pants with my favorite sandals right here. Look at this. This looks great. I'm wearing this American Apparel shirt that I got a long time ago. I'm wearing these black trousers, skinny trousers from Top Men. I need to start wearing these shoes more often. I forget about them for a minute. Okay, so this is the second outfit. The shirt is thrifted. The shorts are from ASOS. And I am pairing the black shorts with these sandals as well. I personally really like this outfit, especially for this heat. It's perfect. If you are on TikTok, go ahead and follow him. His style is amazing. I love his closets. And I'm super inspired by his videos. Maybe I will try out some of the stuff that he did for his videos. We'll see. So this is style hacks for skinny guys.
No matter if you're tall or short, these tips will work for you. Number one, next time you buy a shirt, watch out for that shoulder seam. It should hit the top of your shoulder peak so you look strong and masculine.
I don't agree with that. I have seen so many guys in oversized t-shirt and they look fine. They don't have to wear a fitted t-shirt to show that they're strong and masculine.
2, watch the distance between your sleeve and your arm. This helps avoid looking frail and weak. And size down your accessory.
I feel like he's attacking me. I wear t-shirts like that all the time, and I don't even care if I look weak or not. Well, looks like someone disagreed with the first two too, so I'm not the only one. And someone said, LOL, so I can't dress oversized anymore. T. I'm skinny and I just get the baggiest t-shirt. They cover half my arm. Same. You don't need to dress like this. It's not true. You can wear oversized tees if you want to. There's nothing wrong with that. You still look good. You don't need to look strong and masculine. You will not look weak if you wear something oversized. You hear it from me. Yes, I know. I haven't shaved. I'm editing the video right now, and I felt like what I said in the video was a little, I don't know, I felt like it came off a little aggressive. I don't know if you guys feel like I was being aggressive. I just wanted to point out something really quick, is that not all skinny guys want to look masculine and strong, right? And not all skinny guys care about them looking weak or anything like that. So I guess if you're skinny and you want to look strong and masculine, of course you can follow his hacks. And if you don't want to look weak, you can follow his hacks. There's nothing wrong with that. But I guess I was really shocked. When I saw that TikTok, I was like, oh my god. I've been wearing like oversized t-shirts this whole time. I love it when my seam is like down here and not up here. Anyways, I have nothing against that TikTok. I just wanted to point that out. So, yeah. Enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you for watching. Anyways, let's jump right into the next hack. So, this is another hack for folding your jeans. And it says, how to fold your jeans for a more flattering look. It does look kind of uncomfortable to walk around with. Maybe I'll like this hack if I give it a try. So let's go. I don't see what's wrong with folding your jeans like this. Like I've been doing this my whole life. I love the look. It works, but the hem doesn't look as good as hers, but still I feel like it's kind of uncomfortable walking around because it's a little too tight for me. Regardless, it looks good on her, not on me. I think it's because of my jeans, but this was an interesting hack. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I had a lot of fun filming this video. Again, everything I express in this video is from my personal opinion. If you have your own opinion that you would like me to hear, or if you have anything new that you would like to educate me, please use the comment section below. I am open for all. That sounds really nasty and wrong. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a like. Also follow me on Instagram, I will definitely follow you back. My Instagram is very.snatch. Other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!